What is up, guys? We're back with another video, and today is a pretty exciting one. We're going to be doing our first 2K pack opening, and we're going to be trying to pull Kobe Bryant in this one, and hopefully getting that Diamond Oscar Robertson in this one here. Alright, let's get started. First box. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we can get here. Ooh! A ruby on the first pack of the pack opening. Let's see what we got here. Damian Lillard. Okay, I'll take that. That's a new card. That's a new card. Alright, can we pull that Kobe? Nothing good here. Alright, let's see what we can get. The Kobe is really nice, though, because it's still got that 95. Another ruby? Oh my goodness. Alright, can we get Giannis? Giannis! Klay Thompson! Let's go! That still goes for a good amount. Awesome. Wow, it's already off to a really good start. Another ruby! No way. No way. Jimmy Butler. That's still really good. 3 rubies in the first 4 packs. Alright, there's our player. Can one of these be Kobe? Oh. Alright. We got 3 rubies so far. This is only our 6th pack. Oh, silver's all the way. Holy grail. Dwight Howard. I don't like Dwight Howard. Not a fan, not a fan. Alright, what do we got here? Silver's all the way again. Ooh, Ronnie Stuckey, go Pacers. Pack number 9. Man, the box started out really, really good. Now it's getting a little dry. Alright, about halfway through here. Nothing again. Man, we've already pulled Klay Thompson. That's so good. Alright, what do we got here? Nothing again. What's going on? Come on, 2K. Please give me that Kobe. Please give me that Kobe. Come on, come on. Man, nothing. I just want us to pull. Come on, give me an Amethyst in this box, and it'll be such a good box. Such a good box. Ugh, again. We gotta remember those 3 rubies, though. We just gotta remember those. It's been super dry since then, though. Oh my god. Come on, 2K. Don't be doing this. 6 packs left. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 6 packs. An emerald. Okay, I'll take that, I guess. Alright. Alright, Westbrook. That's pretty good. He's been doing really well this season. Is he the MVP? Another ruby, or excuse me, emerald. Carmelo. Alright, come on. Give me an amethyst. Just one. Another emerald. Alright. Oh, Boogie. Okay, he's doing well this season too. 3 left in this pack. Or in this box. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Oh. Man, it's not giving us anything in the end here. Alright, last pack of the box. Can we get that last pack? Cheese. That last pack. Flames. That last pack. Flames. Oh my goodness. Alright, now let's open one of these Playmaker boxes. We're looking for the Oscar Robertson. The Amethysts go for a lot, though, so I'll take those, too. But the Rubies and Sapphires, they don't go for a whole lot. They go for a little bit, but not a whole lot. Alright, first pack. Can we start off as good as we did in the last one? No, we cannot. Derek Favors, not doing me any favors. Nope, nothing again. Okay. Oh, yay. Hear that, guys? We gotta... It's exciting. Dynamic duos, especially when they're silvers. Those are really exciting. Really exciting. What do we got? Nothing. Not that I'm surprised. Nothing again. We got about 5 packs left of this box. Oh my goodness. Come on, give me something in this. Don't give me nothing, 2K. Come on. An emerald. An emerald. Chris Paul. That's just great. Okay. I'll take that, a sapphire. Okay, Paul Gasol. I'll take that, I'll take that. Not what I'm looking for, though. Not what I'm looking for. Another one. Please don't be Paul Gasol. Okay, Nick Van Exel. We got 2 of them. Come on, last pack. Ah, an emerald. Carmelo. We already got a Carmelo. This, the last box. We're looking for that Kobe still. Still without an Amethyst. Another garbage pack from 2K. Oh my goodness. Come on, give me Kobe, 2K. Just give me 2. Just give me Kobe. That's all I want. That is all I want. Come on, give me Kobe. Ugh. Come on, just give me Kobe. Just give me Kobe. Nope, no Kobe here. It's on Whiteside. All silvers. Ooh, Vince Carter. I like Vince Carter. Not that version, though. Oh my goodness, not even a ruby yet. Almost halfway through the box. Nothing. What do we got? Nothing again. Tony Snell. Did I say that right? Pretty sure I said that right. Nothing again. Andrew Wiggins, he's having a good season. Wow. Alright, over halfway through the box now. Gary Harris. He's a pretty cool guy. Wow, I have not got one. I don't think have I got a gem? Maybe an emerald. Oh, I got Hassan Whiteside, that's it. Hassan Whiteside, that's my pull. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Could have been Kobe. Ugh. Can that card be Kobe? Can that be Kobe? Nope, of course not. Of course not. Oh my goodness. 6 packs left. Okay. Get a sapphire. Ooh, the new Zach LaVine. That probably sells for a good amount. Alright, new Zach LaVine. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Are they starting to heat up? Ooh, maybe they're starting to heat up. 2 gems in a row. Gordon Hayward, that's new. And nothing again. Am I gonna be able to pull that Kobe? I do not know. Hope so. What do we got here? Oh my god, the pull rate looks so good for this Kobe too. I can't. Is that the second JJ right in the box? I think it might be. An emerald. Kyrie Irving. Oh my goodness. Oh, voice crack. Oh wow. And nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Let's just keep going here. See, I just opened one of these, so I guess I'll open one of these now. Alright, can we get an Amethyst or Oscar Robertson or something? Come on. Best I've gotten is Klay Thompson. Nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Alright, come on. Come on, give me an Amethyst. Okay, maybe they're starting to heat up. Maybe they're heating up. Cat. Nothing. Tyreek Evans. Okay, Sapphire. Can it be the last one? Oh! I got 3. I got the 3 in a row. Didn't get any dupes. No dupes. Oh well, unless I get Curry or LeBron, this is a dupe. Yup. Duplicate right there. Okay, could they be warming up? Heating up? Another Nick Van Exel. That's my 3rd one. Alright, can we get the Oscar or an Amethyst? Another one. Andre Miller. Alright, now they're starting to give me all these sapphires. I don't want these. I want the diamond. I want the amethyst. Oh, nothing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my god. Whole lot of nothing. This is the last 20. Actually, let's go ahead and do the last one of these. First, wait, let's just make sure I'm gonna have enough. I should have enough. So let's go ahead and do a few more of these. So the last box of this. Before we do the other one. Alright, we have 10 more packs to get Oscar Robertson. Nothing there. Nothing there. Alright, 8 more. Come on, Oscar. Please. Come on, 2K. I've been nothing but loyal. Come on, just give me an Oscar Robertson, please. Please. Ugh. Haven't even pulled a ruby. Come on, please just give me the Oscar Robertson. Please. Okay, there's the first ruby for this collection. Pulled rubies in the beginning. And who is it? Okay, Lenny Wilkens. I'll take that. Oh, wait, I forgot one. Oops. Alright, let's continue on. Got a Lenny Wilkens. Now, are they heating up? They heating up? Okay. I guess I'll take this. Pau Gasol. I don't know. I think I'm saying that right. Are they heating up? Maybe the pack luck's gotta take a break. Okay. Okay. 3 more to pull him. 2 more to pull him. Oh my god, please 2K. Please. Okay. Can we get Isaiah? Isaiah? Oh my god, another Lenny Wilkens. Okay, last pack. Please. Please, 2K. Ah. Nick Van Exel. Man. Okay. We're gonna have some extra for some singles, but we have a little over 20 packs to pull Kobe, and I would also take DeMarcus Cousins. Oh, wish me luck. Ugh. Come on, 2K. Come on. Come on. I haven't even put an Amethyst yet. I've opened so many packs. Nothing again. Come on, 2K, please. No, come on. Kobe? Nope, no Kobe there. Cousins! Kobe! Oh! Oh nothing. Now the rest of the box can just suck. But it doesn't have to. So you can still give me stuff. You can still give me some cards. Yes! We pulled Kobe! J.R. Smith. Oh my god. Yes, let's go. Nothing there again. Okay. Can we get Giannis? Okay, can we get Giannis on Kumbo? He's had a great season. Ooh, Karl-Anthony Towns. That goes for a lot. Oh, I'll take that. Alright, we got an emerald here. Oh my god, Kobe, yes. That's all I wanted. Yes, that's awesome. Marc Gasol. Oh, we got 2 left. Alright, last pack. Alright, nothing. Okay, that was a really good box. We pulled Kobe and Karl-Anthony Towns. I will take it. That was awesome. Let's go. Alright, let's go take a look at this Kobe stats here. There it is. Kobe Bryant. So it's got, 90 standing layup, I guess that's alright. 89 driving. See, let's look at open shot mid-range is an 88. It's pretty good. Open shot 3, 83. Contested shot 3, 84. Let's see what else has it got. 80 steal. 80 defensive consistency. Driving dunk is still a 95, which is crazy. Its speed is a 90. That's pretty good. Speed with ball 92. It's also pretty good. Offensive consistency 95. Yeah, it's a crazy card. It comes with a good amount of bronze badges. Badge up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Can't believe we pulled this Kobe, that's so awesome. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Try to get you a gameplay with this Kobe soon. And we'll see you in the next one.